Hello everyone, welcome to Thursday. We had a pretty good day today. The S&P 500 was up 1.1%. That was good to see after yesterday's downturn. If you remember yesterday, we came down to the top of the old range and then bounced. Well, this morning we went right back to the top of the old range again and then bounced and kind of went sideways. And right at the end of the day, we had a nice movement upward. And so that range that we established over that 6-week period has been holding so far. Every time it gets near there, there's enough buying that comes in to kind of catapult it forward. So hopefully that will continue. It's exactly what we were hoping for when we broke out of it before. Having said that, we're still in the new range that we've been stuck in now for almost 2 weeks. And so really, movement around inside the range doesn't really matter that much to me in terms of telling me where the market might be going. I'd like to see it break out above it if possible, and then we'd have another new little support level, which I think would be nice also. One of the things that we're looking at here is just what's happening with the virus, and obviously that's one of the things that's concerning the market. So we've had a surge in new cases, and so essentially what happens is the virus comes along. In theory, it affects the economy, which then ultimately affects the stock market. And so one of my jobs is to try to figure out what these things mean. And it's really interesting because the virus comes up, how much does it affect the economy? It depends on how we react to it, how bad it gets. So I spent a fair amount of time studying the virus, actually more time recently than I have studying the stock market. There's no guarantees that it impacts the economy that greatly, but it could be worse than we think. So we have to watch and see how that works. That's a very big piece. And of course, once you get to the economy falling down, does that always drag down the stock market? Well, it kind of depends on how much government stimulus comes in between those. So there's these things happening between these steps that we have to watch for. So those are the things we can continue to talk about. So that was what was happened today. I thought it was a really good day. Hopefully tomorrow we continue forward, and I look forward to talking to you about that. Thank you.